everybody, welcome back to Outfit from Scratch number 5. I cannot believe how fast the time is flying. Started this in last December and it's been a great success so far. All of my outfits, touch wood, oh my god, I shouldn't be saying this because this outfit, the one that I'm going to be doing right now, is a very important one. This is the last and final wedding outfit that I'm going to be creating for one of my friend's wedding. Outfit from scratch karte karte basically all of my friends are married now and जो एक last वाला बचा हुआ है उसकी शादी अभी अप्रैल में है. So this outfit from scratch video is for his wedding. The wedding is going to be in Chandigarh. That's a Punjabi wedding, like legit a Punjabi, full-on Punjabi wedding, and the outfit also has to be accordingly. For today's outfit from scratch video, I'm taking my entire family with me, my dad, my brother, my mom, everybody. We're all taking like a family trip for the outfit for scratch video. We're going to Crawford Market again because I realized Crawford Market mein the fabric is like literally less than half the price of what I actually get here. So I do not wish to spend extra money. तो इसलिए आई थॉट एक तो ट्रिप भी हो जाएगी, दूसरा विल जस्ट गो एंड फिगर आउट टुडेज आउटफिट फ्रॉम स्क्रैच. आई हैव अ शरारा सेट इन माइंड, सो दैट्स द पिक्चर आई हैव इन माई हेड when I see myself at the wedding, like wearing a sharara, like a heavy sharara. So yeah, without wasting any more time, you guys, let's get started. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. As always, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe. Also share it with a friend who's like looking for inspiration for outfit from scratch videos. So yeah, with that, let's get started. Hi mommy.
Hi beta.
Hi Papa. So we're on our way to Crawford Market. It's like an hour and a half का drive from here. Road trip and what the fuck?
जिसकी शादी होगी उसने भी इतना दूर जाके मेहनत नहीं किया होगा कपड़े बनाने के लिए, मुझे लगता है.
किसी ने नहीं की. मेरे जितने भी दोस्त हैं ना, भी दोस्त है ना मेरे, उन्होंने किसी ने इतनी खुद की शादी पे मेहनत नहीं की जितनी मैं करती हूँ. हर एक की शादी में अच्छे से मेहनत बना के कपड़े
अभी अंदर रखते जाएंगे ना, तो क्या मतलब तो कुछ है नहीं, अभी पहनना तो है नहीं,
तो क्या करूँ, रोज पहन के बैठ जाऊँ.
नहीं अभी इनमें से कोई नहीं पहन सकती.
इसको सेल पे
पहनूंगी. Okay, I'm at Crawford Market and there's like a lot of boutique style stores also, in case if you want to just come here and not pick up fabrics, you can also get like ready-made stuff. So I'm back to this one shop where I shopped from last time. The shop number is 181. ये shop number क्या लिखा है मेरे को समझ नहीं. 166. That's 6. Damn. Oh yeah, 166. Lol. It's the shop and you get some really amazing fabric. So I'm gonna be shopping from here only. मेरे को थोड़ा heavy में कुछ ऐसे दिखा दो ना, जो शायद डाई वाई करने वाला होगा या ऐसा कुछ है. वो कौन सा कपड़ा है वो जो वहाँ पे ये उसके बीच में जो है? हाँ, ये क्या? ये शरारा की कमीज के लिए कैसा अच्छा है? ठीक है, ये एक साइड में थोड़ा रखना. थ्रेड वर्क ज्यादा है, मुझे थ्रेड वर्क ज्यादा नहीं चाहिए. हाँ, मुझे वो जरी ज्यादा चाहिए. कल वो क्या है, वो वाला जो है उसके ऊपर जो है व्हाइट में. हाँ, ये वाला सिल्वर है ना, वो गोल्डन. ये शरारे के लिए ले सकते हो. ये सिल्वर है ना, ये ज्यादा सिल्वर है और ये थोड़ा ज्यादा गोल्डन है. ये ज्यादा अच्छा दिख रहा है ना, लेकिन इसके सामने ये थोड़ा ज्यादा कि ये वाला लो. शिट, कंफ्यूज्ड. ये ज्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है आपको? मेरे को तो वो ज्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है. तो वो वाला एक है ना, वो क्या है, वो सिल्क है ना. नहीं, उसके ऊपर जो है मेरे को, फिर ये अगर मैंने लिया ना उसके साथ मैच करने के लिए, या तो मेरे को इस पे लेस से लगवानी पड़ेंगी थोड़ा हैवी करने के लिए, या तो फिर मैं सोच रही हूँ कि वो गोटा पट्टी का वर्क करवा लूँ. दुपट्टा ना मुझे तो हल्का सा स्टिफ मटेरियल चाहिए. ये क्या है, ये जो है ऐसे टाइप का दुपट्टा चाहिए मुझे.
ये देखो ना, उसका जो ये जो गोटा आप देख रहे हो उसमें मैच हो रहा है.
ये तो चला ही जाएगा मेरे को लगता है.
ये है ना गोटा वोटा भी देखो ना, मैच हो रहा है.
वाला चलेगा. पर यार पता है क्या है इसमें ना, ये वाला ये चुभता है, पता है अंदर वाला. वो मैंने देखा अभी, मैंने सोचा इस पे थोड़ा कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर लूंगी मैं. आप मेरे को ये तीनों एक साथ लगा के दिखा दोगे तो मुझे पता चल जाएगा अगर ये सही बैठ रहा है कि नहीं. हाँ, ये देखो, ये इसके साथ मैच हो रहा है मम्मी. ये पूरा अच्छा मैच हो रहा है इसके साथ. वाओ, ये तो मैंने 15 मिनट के अंदर शॉप कर लिया ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे. बहुत अच्छा बन जाएगा यार. वाला जो आउटफिट है ना, उसमें मैं सोच रही हूँ मम्मी लहंगा बना लूं. ये ज्यादा बेटर लग रहा है ना, क्योंकि इसके छोटी छोटी बूटियां हैं. वो उसके साथ में वो वाला ये जो कपड़ा रखा हुआ है ना, ये वाला. हाँ, ये तो मेरे को कलर करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है, ऐसे ही अच्छा लग रहा है. वो क्या है पीछे कपड़ा शाइनिंग वाला? हाँ, ये कितना अच्छा है ना. नहीं, इसको देख के अब मुझे ये चेंज करना पड़ेगा. लॉल, कैंसल्ड एवरीथिंग एल्स एंड आई थिंक आई एम गोना सेटल फॉर दिस. दिस इज अ ब्लैक नेट का फैब्रिक. So इसका स्कर्ट बनाएंगे, इसका दुपट्टा, इसका कमीज बनाएंगे। कितने मीटर है ये वाला?
650।
It's very delicate the work on this. और इसके साथ अभी दुपट्टा चाहिए मुझे। कैसा दिख रहा है? ठीक है, I think let's lock it. This is final. This is the skirt. That's the top, and this is the dupatta. So I think I'll go with this color for the wedding outfit, which is a Sarara suit. This one. Yeah. हाँ. ठीक है भैया, फाइनल कर दो अभी। 7157। Oh God. इनकी शादियाँ बहुत महंगी पड़ रही हैं यार मेरे को। थैंक यू भैया। और मेरे इधर से कोई आएगा तो उनको डिस्काउंट दे देना। थैंक्स। मुझे भी नहीं दिया लेकिन थैंक यू, बाय। Hi you guys. I think a lot of you guys have been missing the hecticness, the hustle in my outfit from scratch videos. Guess what? We're back at it because it's 5th of April and I'm leaving on the 9th, and I'm giving my outfit today to the tailor, which means I need to get it by say 7th or 8th-ish, because 9th early morning, like say around 4 o'clock-ish, we'll leave from Bombay. So yeah, we just have like about 3 days to get my outfits, and literally again I will not have any time to get it altered or whatever. So fingers crossed. इस बार भी अच्छा ही कर दे यार, मतलब मेरी तो पूरी like everything, like the entire video, my outfits, everything depends on this one tailor and his skills and whatever. Like मेरे से तो कोई hope नहीं है because everything I do is last minute. बस मैं tailor कि आप outfits मुझे कैसे दोगे सिल के, क्योंकि lockdown हो रहा है. How will I come here because everything will be shut? He's like, आप टेंशन मत लो मैडम, मैं अपने गोदाम से निकाल के आपको दे दूंगा, आप नीचे आ जाना फटाफट, मैं ले लूँ मैं दे दूंगा. So that is how we're going to be doing this. And yeah, fingers crossed, dude. Like I'm a little nervous because I have absolutely no backup. I mean, I do have my other outfits that I wore for the previous weddings, but I do not wish to repeat that because नहीं करना यार, ये last wedding है और ये मेरे best friend की wedding है. Anyway, I also spent a lot of money on the fabrics. And मेरे fabric ना generally they're all like, so I don't go for like सस्ता material. I go for like, you know, silk and raw silk and like you know, like really fancy stuff, and hence मेरे fabric का cost बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है. तो yeah, and as I said, Bombay में तो सब कुछ anyway महंगा ही है, तो probably in your city you can get the same fabric for like half the price. I don't know if you can go for it. To like get good fabric, it'll look royal, it'll look rich, even if it's a plain fabric, trust me. So that is what I've learned. मेरे learnings from the outfit from scratch series is that good fabric will always give you good results. Anyway, so I have my stuff here. Let's go to the tailor. Let's do this. So you guys, I tried out the outfit और जिसका मुझे डर था वही हुआ. I mean, the outfit might look really nice. This is the wedding outfit, by the way. It's a Sharara set, but I'm not really happy with the fitting because the kurta is so loose और उसने सब उल्टा नीचे कर दिया हुआ. Put a zip here, but इसका cut is so ऊपर and इसका cut is नीचे एकदम यहाँ पे. And like it's all like very loose. Can you see that? Don't really have the time to like get it altered or done anything to this now. Yeah, that plus iska ghera itna kam hai. I don't know what he did with all the material that I gave him because this was 3 meters and this is all the ghera that I got out of it. It looks very ill fitted right now. I mean, with the dupatta I can definitely cover it up, but right now on its own it just looks blah. This is not how I pictured it. The saving grace is this dupatta जो मैं ऐसे cover कर लूँगी, and you know I'll make it look a little bit more pretty. Okay, so the dupatta is ulta. Wait, this. So this is the wedding outfit that I was supposed to wear at night for the function because it's got all this chunky happening. So I thought it'll look very nice. Okay, although it looks nice, the outfit could have been much better had the fitting been nice. Okay. But anyway, so मैंने इसमें क्या डिजाइनिंग की है बता, I'll tell you. So this fabric was plain, right? You guys saw. ये वाला जो portion है, I took a cutout from the शरारा. ये नीचे वाला part था उसका. This was just gonna go waste. So then I thought कि इसको मैं cut करके अपने कुर्ते पे लगा दूंगी. So I've gotten it in the front and at the back. And then I put some lace on, and to make it a little bit more fancy, then I put lace on dupatta also. And yeah, I mean the dress could have turned out much better, you know what I mean? Like, but anyway, I'm gonna do a get ready with me for my friend's wedding when I'm getting ready in this outfit, and I'll try to get it altered on the way, like in Chandigarh only because I'm there for like 4-5 days. So I'll try to get it altered before the wedding. but I'm a little disappointed this time. I'm I don't like this fitting. What is this? Like the whole idea was to like fit me in it so that I suffocate, but the fitting should be nice. I don't care about, you know, if I'm able to breathe or not. Anyway, I love the dupatta. I think I have some obsession with this color, by the way. Yeah, this is my second outfit. Almost similar color. Even my mom's sari was like this. I just realized. But yeah, this is the outfit. Really sorry about all the mess in the background. I still have to start my packing. We're leaving in like a few hours. Early morning, but still I haven't started packing. Exactly how I live, you know, life on the edge. एकदम मेरे घर वाले सबकी packing हो गई है, मेरी कुछ भी नहीं हुई है. Not even started. I've not even like ऐसे सामान बाहर भी नहीं रखा है मैंने लिया stuff that I have to take with me. So anyway, so I'm gonna quickly change into the second outfit and I'm gonna show you. This is outfit number 2. I try to keep it very traditional with the lehenga and the long kurta and dupatta. I'm gonna show you the dupatta. This is how the dupatta looks like. I really love the dupatta. I'm not really sure about the entire outfit though. I don't know, you guys tell me, should I stick with this kurta or should I get like a nice blouse stitched with this? I don't know, yeah, like for some reason I feel like the outfits are not working out this time. I don't know, you guys tell me. Whatever you guys tell me in the comment section is what I'm gonna stick to. In case if you think that I should go for a black blouse with this, like a plain black blouse, then I'll have to like really go get it stitched when I'm in Chandigarh. But वो भी बहुत last minute हो जाएगा. But I don't think that's something we're new to. Like last minute is my game anyway. So let me know if you think this is different, this is nice and like, you know, very Punjabi, then I could stick to this. You know, my mom said कि शादी में full black नहीं पहनना चाहिए, इसलिए that's the reason I actually got this. But then I could get like this color का blouse also. I don't know, you tell me what you guys think. So this is how it looks from the back. इसका fitting and all is nice, so no problem there. I like it. I have like mixed feelings around this one because nobody generally wears stuff like this. So you tell me. ये ठीक ही लग रहा है ना? The only reason that I'm a little confused about this outfit is because it's got no color, I think. Because I'm so used to wearing some colorful outfits that this is too like monochromatic, you know, black and white kind of vibes. So I think overall when I style it, it'll look nice. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about the outfits. And this is it. This was outfit from scratch number 5. Definitely gonna be shooting a get ready with me for my best friend's wedding where I will style all these outfits, and you know, I'll just get dressed, I'll do my makeup, I'll put on my jewelry, and then we'll see how the outfits actually look. And for now, this is it. I'm gonna get to packing, you guys. Like literally last minute. I'm like freaking out right now, but I think I'm used to the freaking out part of it. Like I do that to myself, so I have nobody else to blame but myself. So yeah, I'm gonna get to packing, and that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this outfit from scratch. Let me know what you think about the outfits, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. Also share it with a friend, dude. Like I keep making outfit from scratch videos. Share it with a friend who loves designing outfits and who needs inspiration or ideas. And that is it. Have a great day, you guys. I'll see you super soon. Bye.